OrderBook is a robust inventory tracking and replenishment program from MyPointNow. As a program administrator, you have the ability to add users and to add and configure stock locations. Click Users and we display a list of all current users. You can add users of the system by clicking here. Simply add a name, email address, and a unique password that you can then share with your new user. You should now set up permissions for Jeff. In general, GPS should be checked. When checked, OrderBook will record the user's locations as they record material usage. We will then share user locations on the administrative maps and record the location where parts are used, which is a significant program benefit. When ordering is checked, the user can place one-time and restocking orders without direct oversight. When unchecked, the user's PO request will get pushed for approval to a purchasing administrator. A purchasing administrator has the ability of approving purchase orders and placing one-time or restocking orders. An administrator can add or change user records and stock locations, as well as work with all purchasing functions. Now let's look at our stock locations. A stock location can be either a truck or a fixed location like a warehouse. To look at the details of a stock location, we can click on it here. First, you can edit location name, default ship to that suppliers will use for this location, and the users assigned to this location. An important benefit of OrderBook is that we can control usage by both location and users. We can add a new location here. Just name the location and choose a default ship to from the pull-down menu and save. Next, we need to assign users to Jeff's truck. This may seem redundant, but this step allows you to move users between stock locations easily or have more than one user on a stock location. So let's click on Jeff's truck, then scroll down and click to add Jeff Lane to this location and save. Now we want to set up the location stock list. Your company has a default stock list. With many companies, different stock locations may have different lists based on the purpose of the truck. For instance, one truck may be configured for air conditioning and refrigeration service, and another truck may be configured for residential service, so it would tend to keep different parts on board. To add stock to Jeff's truck, we can scroll down on our default list. You can select multiple items at once by clicking on one stock item, and then holding your Shift key and clicking another further down the list. It will now add multiple parts at once. Once you're done with Jeff's list, Jeff is ready to go to work. You can print bin labels or a stock book by clicking here. These items allow your field users to efficiently find and scan items that don't have integrated barcodes as they use them in the field.